Hello everyone, my name is Evgenia Petrova and we created this course. I have been familiar with this program for over 7 years. I saw the very early versions. Initially I worked in Cielo 3D, then moved to Marvelous Designer, and I was one of the first who opened a store with clothing created in Marvelous Designer on the ArtStation platform back in the distant year 2019 year. And I can definitely say that my products were in high demand. Now I am freelancing and vaguely remember how I learned Marvelous Designer, but I can definitely tell you that there was a catastrophic lack of information specifically on fabric detailing. This course is definitely not about just draping fabric on an avatar, making standard patterns and exporting it all to the brush to finish everything manually. No, we will go through the path from a basic pattern to seam detailing and specifically folds detailing. I will tell you about fabric presets, avatars, and how to attach various accessories to clothing. I do not promise you that it will be easily. I think that if I had come across a course like this at the very beginning of my journey, I would have saved a ton of time, but would have spent no less nerves. I wish you patience, perseverance, and most importantly, a genuine desire to make truly high-quality folds in Marvelous Designer. Good luck!